I am going to wish GamerAndreu17 an unhappy 11th birthday. Ha 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 ha.
In the rain or in the snow. Do you not know that you are banned from my house? Get out, or else you don't want to find out.
Unhappy 11th birthday, GamerAndreu17. GamerAndreu17, what's wrong?
Oh, Brian Gibson, in the rain or in the snow, wished me an unhappy 11th birthday. Can you please ground him?
What?
In the rain or in the snow, you freaking idiot. I can't freaking believe you wished GamerAndreu17 an unhappy 11th birthday. That is so freaking it. I am so freaking done with you. You are so freaking grounded forever. Go to your freaking room right freaking now. You psycho idiot.
Shout out to GamerAndreu17. Bye for now.